Welcome to MunroMotors.com. Today we have a 2000 Chevrolet Corvette convertible. This is presented in bowling green metallic with light oak interior, and it's a convertible. We'll start here in the trunk. You can see the trunk is nice and clean underneath. We have carpet inside here, nice and clean as well. I'll lift this up here so you can see there's a compartment down there, and we'll lift the middle one up. I'll show you it has a compartment down there, and it has a 12-disc CD changer in the trunk here. And we have one more compartment down here. We have a belt in here that we're going to install on this car. So there is some decent trunk space for a convertible. Looks good. Close that trunk there. You can see the deck lid, that green paint has metallic in it. Looks really good in the sun. We'll stand back here. So it has the circular Corvette taillights on the C5. Down here we have the stainless steel dual exhaust with quad tips. And there's a nice Corvette placard down there between the exhaust. We'll move to the side of the car here. I'll show you the rear wheel. It has newer tires installed, Michelin tires by the previous owner, 275/40 ZR 18s with the 5-spoke aluminum wheel, and it has the 4-wheel ABS brakes, disc brakes with silver calipers. I'll show you the front here. The front is a different size. It's a 245/45 ZR 17. So looks good. We'll come back here to the passenger door panel. I'll show you, it has the black and the light oak interior. We'll scan in here. We have the power door locks, power windows, and then your manual lock here. So that's good. We'll come here to the dash. I'll show you, it has a nice dash, nice and clean. There's lots of vents in this car. I'll show you there. Corvette embossed in the airbag there. Open the glove box, so it has the owner's manual in there, and it has a cable for your phone, I believe. To show you the condition of the dash here, nice and clean, looks good. Come down here to the door jambs, show you nice and clean. Skid plate, the skid plate is missing on this one. There is a little bit of scratching on it, kind of what you expect on a car that's 22 years old, but still looks presentable. Power seats for the passenger, manual recline here. Looking at the carpet here, it has the nice premium carpet, looks thick, and the Corvette floor mat there. Show you the condition of the seat here. So there's some wear from getting in and out and just over time, but the seat still looks very presentable. Has Corvette embroidered in the backrest here. It looks good. Just want to show you the tonneau cover of the convertible here. I think that looks really nice on the C5s. There's your waterfall with your Corvette symbol in between. When this car was introduced, I remember it, and I thought that was the coolest feature on a convertible. Go ahead and shut this door here. Show you the profile of the trunk here. It's nice and flat. The paint nice and shiny. It presents very well for a car this age here. I do see some paint chip on the trim here. Not too bad. And it looks like there's a little mark on the side mirror here. Nice vent on the side here. The paint does present still very well, and it looks good in this metallic green. Okay, we got the hood open here. There's your Corvette hood liner. I do see a little bit of wear right here and on the other side as well, but it still looks like it's in good shape. Here's your engine bay, nice clean 5.7 liter LS1 V8. It makes 345 horsepower. Engine bay is nice and clean. Okay, so go ahead and close the hood here. Come around to the front of the car. We got the running lights there. We do have fog lights underneath. There is some minor scratches and stuff like that you're going to see in this car. There's a couple stone chips there. Up on the hood here, that's probably the worst ones there. And then there's some scratching, probably from washing, car washes, that kind of thing. And it was driven. The previous owner enjoyed the car. Nothing wrong with that. And there's a stone chip there. But we will polish this car and make it look its best. So this car will look so much better once we're done with it. Okay, here's your front tire. Looks like it's in good shape. No curb rash on the tire. And we have the rear tire here. Great shape. Here's your driver's door panel here. So we have your power memory seats, your power mirrors, power door locks, power windows. It has a Bose stereo system, 6-speaker sound system. And we'll go into the door jambs here, show you how clean it is. Again, skid plate is missing on this side as well. There is some little bit of scuffing and scratches. But just a great car overall. Here's your pedals, here's your carpet, nice and clean. It has 6-way power seats for the driver. Here's the condition of the seat. Again, you can see the marks in the seat from wear. I just want to point that out there. Looks like there's some wear down here on the seat. But again, still looks very presentable. I wouldn't be afraid to drive this car anywhere. Go ahead and shut this door. It still has a key in this car, so we'll go ahead and start it. Okay, over here we have your heads-up display photo features. There's your dimming dash. I'll show you that it does have heads-up display. So if you can see on that gray beam there's your heads-up. So when you're driving, you see that. We have your fog lights over here, your trunk release, and we have manual tilt. You have your headlights here. I'll turn the headlights on. I'm just going to show you that they popped up here. So it kind of looks cool. Looks like 2 eyebrows to me. Here's scan back into the steering wheel. You can see it's got doesn't have any controls on the steering wheel. A nice leather wrapped wheel that's in really good shape. Feels really nice and smooth. We have our washer controls over here, and then we have your power telescopic button here. Over here we have your gauges for your driver information center, and then over here on the dash here, no lights on the dash. The odometer right now it's in miles, so that's 47,601 miles. Let's see if I can get it to kilometers here. In kilometers, that's about 76,600 kilometers. Okay, the visors are in pretty good shape for a convertible. As the light sensitive rear view mirror. Here we have your main vent with your hazards there. Here we have your stereo system, so it has the CD changer, the single disc here, and the 12 disc in the rear of the trunk. Below here we have our automatic climate control, so driver and passenger. Down here we have your cigarette lighter, and then your ashtrays there. The ashtray is in the trunk, it's just not installed right now. We have a single cup holder here, and then here's your 4-speed automatic transmission. Down here we have your active handling, they call it. It's like traction control. In the console here, we have your fuel door, and then a 12-volt socket. Here we have instructions on how to put the top down, and then we have a USB key in here. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and open the door here, give it a couple revs. Sounds good. Still sounds like a Corvette. A nice sports car. You can go ahead and scan to the front of the car. As you can see, I got the headlights flipped up. It looks good. Headlights are nice and shiny. And we'll scan down this side of the paint here. Looks good. So there's your top. So this hard tonneau cover. Oh, I do want to point out here, there's marks along the tonneau cover here. That's from your convertible top. It sits right on top of it. That's where it seals. All their convertibles have that. This is a manual top as well, so you have to do it manually. It doesn't have a power button. but the top is the same color as the seat, so it's that light oak color. Coming to the back of the car here, I'll show you it's got the circular tail lights. They are turned on, and then here's your exhaust. Sounds pretty good. Okay, this car here is a 2000 Corvette convertible in bowling green metallic on light oak interior. It's a 5.7 liter V8 paired to a 4-speed automatic transmission. This is here and available at munromotors.com. Come down and have a look at this one for yourself. We look forward to seeing you real soon.